Being a test prep tutor, you would always know how difficult it is to craft the mock test that you wanted to share to your students to make them available with new tests every week. But do you know this process can be done within mere 10 to 15 minutes? You can generate a whole test paper for you, a whole mock test can be generated by the use of AI. And you will be shocked to see how accurately it will be able to generate you those questions, their answers, and explanations. All of that with AI we are going to see in this video. But this video, before we start, about creating those questions, we need to learn the tools that we are going to use, how to use this tool, and the basics of AI. So to start with, we are going to use a tool called as ChatGPT, which is an AI based tool which is developed on a concept called as large language model. What does it do? So this model has put a lot of knowledge into the bot that is created up here called as ChatGPT, and this bot, with those existing knowledge, was trying to figure out how it can help us based on what we have asked from it. So to suppose I wanted to say, right, suppose I wanted to just give him how to write an essay. Now, ChatGPT will use its existing knowledge to come up with a solution to what I have asked. And this is the answer it has given me. Now, the way I have asked it what I want from it, it's called a prompt. So, whatever I have given here, how to write an essay, is a prompt. Now, as good as the prompt would be, the better ChatGPT will be able to provide me the result for my need. So, let's suppose I am a teacher and I want a simple plan to teach teach third grade students how, sorry for this issue, how to write an essay and use an example of global warming in each steps and make it a 5-step process. Now see, this is not the best prompt I could write, but just to show you, just to demonstrate you, the way I have changed or the way I have designed the prompt right now is able to give me this output, which is much better than the output earlier. If you see this one, if you read, it would be very hard for you to get a hold of it, what you need to do, because it has dumped all the information that it has without even considering anything. But now, as we have come here, this has given me a much better prompt, much better result, as I have given it a much better prompt to understand what is my necessities or what I want it actually to do. It has given me a much better result. And this is how prompts actually work. Now, let's suppose here I have generated a sample question for digital asset. Let's just go there and get it. Okay, so this is a sample question that I have generated for digital asset. Let's take this question number 1. Okay, and go here, and I can say that, just for an example, I can say generate an digital asset message, right? Okay, as I have pressed enter, it is able to generate a base question for me for digital asset. Now, the problem with this is that it might be not related to digital asset. We don't know very well. You have to be reading it out, you have to proofread, you have to make sure that this question is accurate. But if you have an existing set of papers, suppose you have 10 test papers already with you that you have created in the past. Now you want the question to look similar to that, have similar difficulty, one similar topic, have similar theme of the question of the same subject, but a new question. That's where the power of ChatGPT actually comes in. Now, if you see, here is a prompt library that I have created, which has everything that you wanted to do with the help of AI. Whatever thing you can do in education, everything is here. But we'll just focus on this God mode prompt library. So we wanted a passage type question, right? So let's just copy from here. Okay, let's just copy it out, and then we'll paste this up here. Now suppose this is the exact question that I wanted, that you have already created for your older tests. Now you just have to copy this question and insert here. So as we have pasted it up here, we'll just change this to digital asset. And now we'll hit set. If you see, it has generated a similar kind of question, given us the correct answer and the explanation. If you see on the older result, there is no explanation, no correct answers, nothing. But this has everything in. This is how you can leverage AI to generate a lot better questions. Now you might be asking how to get access to all of this. So you will be seeing an option in this blog that you can join our free AI masterclass that is designed for tutors and educators to leverage the power of AI. And you can be a part of it for free of cost. There is no upsells. We are not going to sell you anything, nothing like that. Or if you are watching this video on YouTube or any platform like that, you will be seeing a link to join that masterclass on the description or on the bottom in the comments. So check out that link, click and register there, and you will see how you can leverage AI in your day-to-day life in terms of your productivity, administrative tasks, your question generation, content creation for teaching. All of this you will be able to learn, and also you will be getting access to this prompt libraries where you will have god mode prompts which can help you generate any kind of question. So if you see here, passage type questions, it is available. If you wanted to see subject based questions, you can generate. If your subject you wanted to generate for biology, if you wanted to generate for natural science, you can generate. Now if you wanted to generate difficulty based questions, you can do it. Multiple choice questions, you can do it. True or false kind of questions, you can do it. Filling the blanks type of question, you can do it. Short essays and short essay type of questions, you can do it. Graph and image based questions, you can do it. All of this is available for any test prep tutor who is looking out there to create or use AI to create your questions and help you to optimize your workflow. This is it. This prompt library will be available to all of you. You can use it without any issues. This prompt library will even get extended as we discover new prompts. You will be getting all of that here. So thank you for seeing this video. I hope this video is helpful to you to generate the first initial questions, and we'll be sharing this particular prompt that we have used on the blog itself. So you can check out our blog to get this particular prompt. See you in the next video, and make sure you join the masterclass to get access to all these cool things. Thank you.